Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all doing well, cause I'm doing crazy. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, how I restored this Mini Cooper right over here. So let's jump right into the video. So this is how it looked before the restoration. This is the stuff that you need for restoration. 1. Paper pins. 2. Scissors. 3. Super glue. 4. Masking tape. 5. Paint markers. 6. Pliers. 7. Jewelry saw. 8. Sandpaper. 9. Filer. 10. A screwdriver. And that's it. Start by separating the chassis from the body. As you can see in this video, you can't open the doors, but I want the doors to be openable. So start by cutting off the doors. Now you want to open the paper clips so as to make the door hinges. Now you want to do as I'm doing it to make a perfect door hinge. You want to repeat the same process twice to make 2 door hinges. Now stick the 2 halves together. Now stick the door hinge on the car body as it is seen in the video. Now stick the doors on the door hinges as it is seen in the video. To perfectly align the body and the doors, you can use masking tape as I did. After waiting for at least 10 minutes, peel off the masking tape and try opening and closing the doors to check out if the doors are functioning properly. Now assemble the whole car back again. If you want to paint the car, you can take off the old paint by using a sandpaper. And this is what it looks like after removing the old paint. Now disassemble the whole car so as to paint it. Cover the parts of the car that don't need to be painted by a masking tape. Now spray paint the car. After the paint has dried, peel off the masking tape. Then detail the car with some paint marker. Now assemble the car back again. And now finally the car restoration is finished. This was a really fun build to do and I really enjoyed making this video. The most important thing, I really liked how it turned out at the end. It's really beautiful. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Subscribe to my channel, click the link right over here, and check out my other videos over here. Bye guys!